So hi guys, a long time no see. I know that it was maybe more than 1 month since I created the video. It was because I was ill and then I had a vacation and it was Christmas time, so I didn't want to create videos. I want to just relax and rest. So sorry about that. But today we will continue normally. I totally forgot everything. What we did, what is the plan, and everything. But I hope that I will remember while doing this. As I remember a little bit, last time we improved the creating of conversations. So it's done with WebSockets and it works it works instantly. So I think that today I can try to start with messages uh, and work on that. We'll see how it goes. I have only around half an hour, so it will be quick today, but I will try to do something. It will be hard after this big gap in doing nothing. So, um, yeah, this is starting a new conversation. I have no idea why I have why I have here set backup account. Um, so let's start with that. Let's remove this console lock. And this should be in the this should be in the conversation header, right? Profile image or what? Where is it? Oh yeah. Profile image, conversation actions. Delete conversation. Oh wait, it's this one. I'm in the wrong header. Conversation list. And here conversation header. Create new conversation model. Start new conversation. Cool. Cool, that's much better. I should probably also add here the message, right? Right, that I want to send him. That could be nice. But maybe it's too complex for now. Maybe I will edit later a little bit. Or not? I'm not sure. It can solve lots of problems because without it, I will start conversation, but here will be nothing in the messages. If I try with someone who doesn't exist. User not found. Okay, cool. Cool, at least this works. Let's take a look at the backend, how it works there, and how difficult it would be to add first message as well. So create conversation by an owner, create conversation. This is domain, right? Conversation list, WebSockets, create conversation. Um, if user ID admit open conversation. Okay, it will open conversation, but in that conversation can be message, right? It shouldn't be that hard to change it. So open conversation, create conversation, username. Okay, wait. Let's take a look at the front end. I made open conversation, name, response. Okay, if I add here besides name also the message, so it will be name, message, then in create conversation I will add username joiner and also the message somewhere. Get conversations, conversation by users. What? If conversation exists, it will throw an error. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. I don't care about that. It's nice. But if I create conversation, here will be the first message as well. Or I can do it with separate request. By best practices, I probably should do it with separate request. With request create conversation, create message. Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's probably correct way to do it. So it will be, yeah, it will be here. It will be create conversation. Sorry. And then it will be create conversation and then add message to this conversation. Yeah, that should work. That should work. Okay. Okay. So let's add data access domain entry point login. Data access login. Messages. So let's add here data access domain entry points. I'm still not sure if I like this way of file structuring, but we'll see. Maybe it will be nice once it's bigger, so we know where everything is, but we'll see. Okay, so data access layer. So messages, repository. Oh, I forgot to turn on center stage, so it's not following me. Now it's following me. Cool. Cool. Okay, so messages repository. It will be create messages. So export const create message. It's async, right? And return. Wait, prisma.message.create data data text. So message, no, text string, text something else. Oh yeah, conversation ID. For which conversation we want to add this message and by whom. So conversation ID. It's also string, right? And user ID string. Conversation ID, user ID. I always like to add it like this because you can also do this, but then if you change this it will stop working, so I like it do it like this. Okay, so this is for creating message. And now here in domain I will change it a little bit. So const created conversation and okay, I still want to return it. Created. Wait, but it will be without the message. Oh shit. That's the issue. Oh man. That's why it's better to do it in one request. Create conversation with message. First message. It will be so much easier to just edit here. I will do it. I'm not sure if it's correct from the best practice standpoint of this file structure, but it just makes sense, and it doesn't make even sense to do it with two separate requests, because then they will not be how it's called, transactional, and then if you would lost connection between these two requests, that conversation will be created, but without the message will be lost. But if you do it in one request, then it's always message with it's always conversation with message or nothing, and it's better. I could probably create some transaction here, but it's just easier to add message here. Maybe it can be not maybe it can be not how it's called, required. Message text string messages create data, no data, text, okay, text immediately. So text, message text, what else? And the user ID. Oh my god, who is the one creating this message? Okay, joiner, owner. Joiner, owner. I forgot who is who. Name for, oh yeah, joiner, it's joiner of course, and owner is added somewhere here. Owner, yeah, from the handshake. Okay, cool. So owner is the one who is creating this conversation. So let's change it to owner. And joiner. See? And if it would be, oh no, not here because it's ID, but maybe I should change it to ID, right? But if it would be the same name and I would change it, it would stop working. So, cool. Create conversation. User ID is owner ID. But it's optional. It's optional. And how to do this optional? Hmm. 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 Can I do something like this? No. Okay, let's Google. Prisma create conditionally. Okay. Conditional nested right. Okay. Cool. Yes. Cool. Is the simple way to do conditional content connect if the code doesn't feel clean. Like this? Oh, so this is conditional. You still have to do object there. License connect. Okay. Yeah, that's a little bit cleaner, but I don't care that much. Okay. Okay, so it's conditionally edit there. And now, if I want to also send text message, right here, test, right, test message. Text message and create conversation, text message string, text message. Wait, it's again optional. No, it must be there. It can be empty or yeah, if it's empty, then it's not there. Okay. Create conversation. Text message. Like this. If it's there, empty should be XDS. Oh, I think it should work. If it's empty, If it's not empty, then include it. Yeah. Okay, yeah, it should work. It should work. Then conversation will be created with test message. Okay, so let's try it. Let's try it. Okay, so I need to some new user. So here. Peter, Philip. Wait, I need what I need. I already have conversation with Peter. And if I try to create it again, it will fail, right? Is it not found? No. I don't have, I have it. Case insensitive. Conversation already exists. Cool. Cool. So I will log out. Ooh, I need to add logout button as well. So let's log out here. Log out by removing my name from local storage, create some new user, Franta. Franta has 0 conversations, cool. And now if I create conversation with Philip, let's see if it works. Conversation created, but it's not here for some reason. Why is not edit there? Franta, okay. So this works. Two conversations. Oh wait, I'm not including the messages probably. Yeah, I'm not including messages. True. Okay. And now Peter Franta messages test message. Nice. So the first message was created. Cool. Cool. And if I take a look at the Prisma Studio, I have conversations and I have messages. Yeah, this is the same by the same user. By the same user. Wait, I need there also the time. I don't have the time because I have multiple messages from the same user in the same conversation, right? But I need to know the order based on the time. Yeah, I don't have time here. Okay, I totally forgot this. So created date time. And I need to fill that as well. So quickly, let's try to migrate. But I think it will not work because I have data there. Why is it so slow? We found blah 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 without default value. There are 2 rows. Yeah, I need to remove this. Okay. Because it's here, it's not in the sync with the data in database, so I need to comment it so I can fetch, but it's still not working for some reason. Maybe I need to restart it. Now it should work. Okay, now it's working. Now I can delete it. Maybe it will not be possible to delete. Because it's dependent on something, but it should at least say something. I want to delete it. Oh my god. Railway. Need to remove it directly in the railway for some reason. Um, 2 months? It's already 2 months? Data. Messages. No, I can't delete here. Oh my god. Okay, I will try to delete it next time. I think, because I'm not sure why is it not working. And I don't have any other client in which I can open this except Prisma Studio. Maybe I can try to delete conversations. Okay. Foreign constraint. Okay, that's understandable. No, I don't have time for this, sorry. Okay. So next time I will edit this created as well. And so we can actually start adding messages. This was just the first message, but then we need the proper WebSockets for creating messages from both sides with rooms and everything. And that's what we will do next time. I hope you like it. It was a little bit shorter today because, like I said, yeah, it's after a long time and I'm not used to do this anymore. But yeah, at least we added the first message, which is working, and next time it will be fun since we will be adding the messages properly and message ability. Okay, that's all for today, and bye.